Hello everyone, this is Julie here from laserscroll.com. Now our patterns can be cut from a laser cutting machine, a CNC router, a plasma cutting machine, and of course manually using a scroll saw or a jigsaw, or really whatever means you choose. Today we're going to take a look at the 1965 Ford F100, which is made by the Ford Motor Company and is part of the fourth generation of the Ford F-Series. These trucks were made to be sleeker and wider than its predecessor, the new F-Series. This pickup had an all-new frame, but the body remained largely unchanged. But there was one difference: the turn signals were above the headlights. It also had a straight axle in the front with brand new independent twin I-beam suspension with coil springs on two-wheel drive trucks. This particular model is a great looking two-door truck with some very fine detail. This pattern, when made in 1/8 inch or 3mm material, is roughly 19.3 inches in length, when finished, and about 6.9 inches wide and roughly 5.7 inches high. You can paint this model to suit your own needs, of course. The largest part in 1/8 inch size for this Ford F100 is around 15.5 inches by about 7 inches. So you want to check the bed of your machine to make sure that works for you. Of course, you can scale the slots to a larger size or a smaller size, depending, of course, on how you want to go. But 1/8 inch is usually the standard size for a tabletop model at completion. So it seems to be a popular choice for size. Please check out our YouTube channel, which is MakeCNCworkshops.com TV, and subscribe. There's a little bit on the inside there, if you can see. Well, I hope you enjoyed my first product video on the 1965 Ford F100. There are lots of exciting and informative new videos coming soon, so keep checking back. Good luck and happy CNCing!